decimal times a decimal using just visuals. Now you got to think that your products are going to be small for this because you're multiplying a small number times a smaller number. And this idea or this visual is only going to work for tenths. So if you're going to want to do this with visuals, tenths will only work. So what you're going to do is you're going to use two colors for these visuals. The first decimal you will shade in vertically. The second decimal you will shade in horizontally. And then I'll tell you how you're going to analyze it after the fact. So I'm going to shade in 8 tenths or 80 hundredths vertically in red. I'm going to change my color. I'm going to use blue. I'm going to shade in 4 tenths or 40 hundredths horizontally. And then this box that I'm drawing in black, this has both colors, and this is going to be your answer or your product. And what you need to do is count how many hundredths were shaded in. I'm doing this quickly so you don't have to wait. And you're going to notice that I'm going to count up to 32 hundredths. So 8 tenths times 4 tenths is 32 hundredths. Now you can't check this with repeated addition. You just have to trust me that the visual works. The next thing I'm going to do is another example. I have 3 tenths. I'm going to shade that in vertically. I'm going to choose red, shade in 3 tenths or 30 hundredths. I'm going to change my color. My next decimal, I'm going to shade in horizontally, 7 tenths or 70 hundredths. I'm going to shade it in sideways. I keep using the blue and red just so you're kind of used to those colors. And then after I'm done shading that in, I'm going to put a box around the boxes that have both colors, the red and the blue, and that's your answer. That's your product. I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I have 21 hundredths. And what I just noticed is that 3 times 7 is 21. So my answer is 21 hundredths. You seeing something, maybe a pattern?